Hey guys, boarding na tayo last. So confirm ito, hindi tayo delayed or hindi tayo cancel today. Confirm guys, ayos na. So this is it guys, we're off to Cancun, Mexico. Guys, concerned talaga ako sa skin ko. Hindi pa ako nag-beach eh. Ang itim-itim ko na. Kaya again, paulit-ulit ko sasabihin, huwag nyo kakalimutan maglagay ng sunblock guys. Tapos beach pa yung pupuntahan ko, so good luck sa akin pag uwi ko. Boarding na tayo last. Ngayon, nag-iwan lang kami ng gamit and we will go for dinner. We will meet our colleagues. They're waiting for us right now to have a dinner and to celebrate my birthday. Bukas ko na ikikwento. Na-hold ako sa immigration for 3 hours guys. 3 hours akong na-hold sa immigration. It was so stressful. And pati sa customs na-hold din kami. So it was a really bad day, but pawi naman kasi upgraded yung room namin bukas na guys kasi pagod na ako, stress na, saka at least to celebrate my birthday naman kahit pa paano. So dinner tayo guys, let's go. Nasaan na ba sila? Uy, Hooters baby.
Iwan ka sa dito.
Iiwan daw niya ako. Nakakita kasi ako ng Miss Hooters eh.
Hi Jai! Happy birthday!
Señora! Señorita Domelin!
Happy birthday!
Buenas noches, gracias! Gracias, gracias, gracias!
Mag-guard na namin!
Ito kami, Ilocano versus mga Cebuanos. Guys, good morning and welcome here in Cancun. So it's our first morning here and right now ibili muna tayo ng pang breakfast lulutuin dun sa kitchen. And guys, ayun na yung Caribbean Sea on that side, so we have an access to just 1-minute walk. Have the pool area sa taas. Yan natin. Okay. It's just less than 1 minute. Nandito ko na sa pool area. So this is the whole Imperio Resort guys here in Cancun. Medyo malaki-laki rin yung resort. Pero mas malaki yung sa Punta Cana. So, ngayon, lalabas tayo ng hotel. Hanap tayo ng market sa labas. It's just 3 minutes walk. May mga convenience store sa labas. Ang currency nila dito sa Mexico is Mexican peso. So, pag bibili ka or taxi or grocery, you can pay, it's either in Mexican peso or US dollars. Tumatanggap sila. So, syempre yung conversion nun, medyo lugi ka. For $1 US, that's equivalent roughly around 17 to 18 Mexican peso. Yun yung first na convenience store na malapit sa atin. Maraming ganyan dito, Ikson. Pero medyo hindi pa kompleto yung kailangan ko. Doon sa kabila may 7-Eleven, may Okso ulit, and you have everything here guys. So perfect tong location ng Emporio. So this is just so perfect guys. Spending the day at the beach, the view of the Caribbean. Sobrang peaceful yung place guys. This is just a perfect birthday holidays. And kung pwede lang sanang laging ganito ang buhay natin, pero hindi kasi kailangan natin mag-work guys. Pero I always thank God for this. So now I just gonna enjoy this perfect moment with my baby, of course. Okay, so let me tour you around dito sa room namin. So welcome to our Villa C306A. Guys, actually, ang reserve ko lang from booking.com is a standard room. We were upgraded. Let's take a look inside. This is our room. This is our kitchen. We have our own dining and we have our own living room. Super laki niya guys. Didn't expect actually. So this is the kitchen. Kaninang umaga nagluto na kami ng breakfast. Everything guys kompleto and lahat ng mga utensils, plates. This is the dining. This room actually is good for 6 people, for family. Yung mga to, pwede siyang maging bed. So marami talagang taong pwedeng magstay dito sa room na to. Move mo lang yung mga chairs. And then you have big garden na exclusive lang daw para sa amin ni Charm. And let's go. Itong area na to guys is exclusive lang para sa amin. Kami lang ang may access sa area na to. Yung kabilang room, yung letter B, hindi sila makaka-access dito. The nice thing about here guys is just less than a minute walk sa beach and less than a minute walk sa pool area. Yan. Area. So let's go inside guys and we'll check out the room. I-enjoy po siya. Mag-relax dyan. So yes guys. And the bathroom guys. This is the master's bedroom. So kompleto tayo sa gamit. And yung ating closet, I'm not gonna open it anymore kasi medyo nakakalat na yung gamit namin ni Charm dyan. And another good thing here guys is another door para makapag-access ka sa garden area. Yeah. And lahat guys ng mga guests dito ay lalagyan nila ng ganito para alam nila kung sino yung mga visitors at saka yung tunay na guests. So there you go. That was our room tour. So if you want to visit Cancun and if you want to find an affordable resort na medyo maganda naman, 4-star, you can check them on booking.com. This is not a paid advertisement, guys. It's just I'm making a review. Maganda naman kasi talaga yung place. Maganda yung resort, malinis, and yung location niya is very convenient, guys. Kasi just 2 minutes walk from the doors of the hotel or the entrance of the hotel. May 7-Eleven, meron pang dalawa pang or tatlo pa yatang convenience store, plus money changer, nandun na yung restaurants and taxi stands, nandun na lahat. So there you go, and we're just gonna change lang and mag-dinner na tayo, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, just right across our hotel is the Captain's Cove. Diyan tayo mag-dinner tonight to celebrate our 7th year anniversary together.
It's salute, happy vacation.
This is perfect, guys.
Lobster, shrimps, calamari, scallops, mussels, fish fillet is on.
And we have enjoy barbecue ribs and a full plate of seafood. Love you. Kaya kita kamahal. Let's eat. Gracias, señor. Happy anniversary, babe. Señor, gracias, señor Benito.